Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 or 10 if it keeps freezing and lagging randomly. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, find your File Explorer. Now just go ahead over to this PC, right click on your OS drive, click on Properties. Now go ahead over to Tools, and we have here error checking. Well, just click on Check, scan the drive, and wait for the process to finish. Now, while we wait, well, go ahead and open up your command prompt right here in your search bar. Type down cmd. Now run as administrator. Now in here, what you're going to do is just type down sfc /scan now. Okay? And after that, just hit on enter. Now it says here in the error checking for our local disk C, our drive was successfully scanned. Well, if yours got an error, well, it will just show you how to fix it. Okay, so just click on close right here and hit on OK. Now CMD is running, so just keep it in the background, minimize this one, and just wait for the process to finish. Now let's move on to the next step. You can close File Explorer and then find on your search bar Power Options. Okay. Just click on Edit Power Plan. If it's allowed, now click on Power Options right here at the top. Now you go ahead and use High Performance or Ultimate Performance. Okay, just click on it, and once done, close this one. After that, go ahead over to your Start menu again or search bar. Find Startup Apps right here. So just click on Startup Apps, and then go ahead and disable all the apps that you don't necessarily need when you boot up your computer. For example, Xbox app right here, or a Steam app, or any other clients. Okay, and then once that's done, go ahead over to System right here. Now click on Storage, hit on Yes. Make sure that Storage Sense is enabled, and just click on it. Now go ahead and scroll down and just click on Run Storage Sense now. All right, it will just automatically clean and free up space for you. As you can see here, it says we are able to free up 14.6 gig of disk space. Well, that's great. I'll just go ahead and go back a bit. And in here, you have the temporary file section. So just wait for the scan to finish. Okay, and just click on it. And then you'll be able to see a ton of cached files right here. If I were you, I'm just going to go ahead and select all. Okay, make sure that you don't have important files on your recycle bin. If you have one, make sure that you double check before you click on this option or tick on it. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and click on Remove Files, hit on Continue, wait for the process to finish, or if you can't wait, just minimize it and check other programs that you have processed earlier. As you can see here, our CMD says verification complete. There's no problem. Did not find any integrity violation. So just type down exit. And that's basically it. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and restart your computer and enjoy. That is how you fix your Windows computer if it keeps freezing and lagging randomly. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.